Hi there, Roger. Here's a quick email with a video showing you how to get the tyre back onto the rim once you've taken it off. They can be really tight and there is a trick and here it is. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you just adjust the camera down so you can see it. So this is a tyre that I've already taken off, so I've only done it on one side, so it's a bit loose. But the plan is you get this rim and you need to get it first of all over the edge and then push it into the centre of the wheel. So I don't know if you can see that. So it's going to go halfway across. And obviously when you do that normally, as you go around the outside, you find you get to the bottom and there's this tight bit across here where it's just not going to go. So the way you do, you stand on the top, you take it into the middle and then you press with your thumbs and you're trying to get a loose part all round to the bottom. So you're pressing down, keeping it tight, pushing it into the middle so you get to the last bit and you'll have this flap left at the bottom that you're just going to pop over and then it's back on the rim. So it's that simple. Hope that helps.